Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel SciTech Guru. In this video, I'm going to order the Geekbenchmark 5 test comparison between all of these three smartphones right now. So this is a question which has been requested by few of my subscribers asking me to make a comparison, and all the three phones they do have the Dimensity 1200. So E is a OnePlus Nord 2, and second is the Poco F3 GT, and third is the Realme X1 Max. This is the reason why I'm really interested to see which phone has got what type of Geekbenchmark 5 scores after a long time of using these smartphones. Because very soon we're going to see the Flipkart sale and the Amazon Great Indian sale as well. And few of the users they want to buy the powerful chipset out of these three smartphones. That's the reason I'm trying to do multiple videos comparing between these three phones just to demonstrate which phone is really powerful in terms of the Dimensity 1200. So first, then I need to clear everything from the background, so all the apps are completely clean in all the phones. There's no running background applications at this moment. And this test can be done in two different methods. So first, without using high performance mode. Second, with using high performance mode. The high performance mode is available right now in the OnePlus Nord 2 and in the Realme X1 Max. So in the Poco F3 GT, there is no high performance mode to boost the performance because this phone will be always high every time. So this phone doesn't have any kind of option to increase the performance. So first, I need to clear some more cache data here, which is available in the Realme, which is called the process manager. I need to clear these things as well because this phone has that kind of special option to clear. Other phones doesn't have. And right now it is a Geekbenchmark 5 application which I'm trying to open at this point. And let's start the test, friends. So at same time, I'll try to start the test. At same time, let's see whether I can beat it same time or not. 1, 2, and 3. Yes. So I did start at same time in all the phones in terms of the Geekbenchmark 5. So now we'll get to know what is a single core and what is a multi-core. So this is a test, no high performance mode. In second time, with high performance mode. So in this way, we'll be able to understand what is happening. So with these two phones, how much impact it's going to make in terms of the increase in the scores. That's what I'm going to exactly show you. Right now, the Geekbenchmark 5 test is successfully, I think it's about to complete. So first phone to move, I think with the higher percentage is right now the Realme X1 Max, slightly higher at 93%. In the Realme X1 Max, and the Poco F3 GT is about 90% in terms of the finishing the results. And first phone to finish is the Realme X1 Max. So all the phones are 8GB RAM variants. Yes, exactly 8GB RAM variants. And these are the scores which we got without using high performance mode. 8GB RAM variant, which is a Realme X1 Max. And I did use the external rank capabilities as well. If you want, you can check this external rank capabilities, which I did enable at this moment. And if we go with the Poco F3 GT. So Poco F3 GT has got the second phone which got finished. Not bad. You can see the results in the multi-core, how they are behaving. In the OnePlus Nord 2, it's of close to 2324 in terms of the multi-core and single core 809. So you can see the slight difference how it is between all of these three smartphones. Exactly. So this is the test which I did do without using high performance mode. So in terms of the multi-core, the Poco F3 GT is the first, second is a Realme X1 Max, third is a OnePlus Nord 2. Single core, so Realme X1 Max, OnePlus Nord 2 and the Poco F3 GT in terms of the single core. So in each and every area, one phone is a clear winner. I mean, in terms of the Poco F3 GT and the Realme X1 Max. These two phones are slightly kind of lead in the single core and the multi-core, one and each other. Now let's use a high performance mode in two phones. So in the Realme X1 Max and the OnePlus Nord 2, I need to turn on the high performance mode. So high performance mode is turned on in both phones successfully, and I need to clear it from the background. Now let me try to start the test again. In the phones, let's see how much score difference we can actually expect this time. So let's run the test again. Let's see this time whether I can run the test again or not. I'll try to show you exactly. We'll try to compare the result, how much it is. So 1, 2, and 3. So Geekbenchmark should not be any kind of issue because this is not very kind of intense testing, so which doesn't generate much kind of temperatures. So let's see again this time which phone will be having what kind of results. So finally the test results has been completed successfully. First in the Realme X1 Max, second in the OnePlus Nord 2, and you can see the results, how much huge difference it's there in the OnePlus Nord 2 in terms of multi-core. Try to look at the multi-core results, friends. You will be really shocked. I'll try to compare the screenshot as well. So with using and without using. So this is a phone which is really impacted with the high performance mode. This is one thing you should definitely understand. If you're using the OnePlus Nord 2, if you're experiencing any kind of lag or problem, try to use the high performance mode and definitely this will increase a lot of score. And it's the second time done the Geek benchmark here in the Poco F3 GT, and these are the results. In the Realme X1 Max, if you observe, there is no change in the single core and the multi-core. We did not see any kind of change. So this is the score which we did in the first time without using any kind of high performance mode. Look at the score with using high performance mode. So 2324 and 3046, how much it got improved. Even the single core also slightly got improved. So overall in the OnePlus Nord 2, it's really great to see this kind of huge improvement. In the Realme X1 Max, there is not much improvement happened. So before the score is like this, 2699 and 972, and after that, not much. So just the multi-core just a little bit got increased. That's it, just a little bit. In the Poco F3 GT, since there is we did not add anything more, so score will be kind of slightly similar, only nothing much major difference in the score as well. As you can see exactly, not a major difference. So overall in the OnePlus Nord 2, we can actually see this kind of change only after using the high performance mode. But one more quick note, Realme X1 Max also can get that kind of high scores, but you need to use certain things like game space, only then you can actually improve the Geekbenchmark score. So then it will try to come up to 3031. This is the highest in this phone. That's what. So otherwise the normal score will be every time 2700 and 2600. That's it in the Realme X1. These are the past scores which you can actually take a look how all the phones are actually behaving in terms of the scores. Since all the three smartphones are having the same Dimensity processor, so that of comparing with all the three phones, so you'll have a clear idea what is going on. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video. I'll stay tuned for more updates. And OnePlus Nord 2 is our first phone which is highest recorded about multi-core 3255. This is the highest so far the multi-core score I got in the OnePlus Nord 2. And second is the Realme X1 Max which got 3109. In the Poco F3 GT, I think the phone did not reach anytime 3000, but the highest is 2944. So I'm not sure with the Poco F3 GT, because Poco F3 GT, even in the Antutu benchmark score also, the phone has got really low performance, low value than other phones. That's the one thing which you definitely understand. So don't judge a phone based upon the benchmark. This just to give you a clear idea of what is happening. So in the OnePlus Nord 2, it's a huge improvement because it's using the high performance mode. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching. And in case if you're planning to buy any of these smartphones, let me know in the comment section below what phone are you planning to buy. So because if you plan to buy those phones, make sure to check the playlist. Playlist will give the clear idea what is going on with each and every smartphone in terms of solving all the doubts as well. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video, and see in the next video I'll stay tuned for more updates. So let me know in the comment section below in case if you have any other doubts. I'll definitely do the comparisons as soon as possible. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye. And one more final thing, in case if you want me to do any other comparison between this Dimensity 1200 chipset, let me know in the comments. Definitely I'll try to do this kind of comparisons as soon as possible in my channel. So which will be really interesting to see which processor in which phone behaves really good and really optimized. That's it, friends. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.